What's going on, guys, and welcome once more to Lux Coded. And today we're gonna be tackling this is not even, this is a beginner challenge and it's called FizBuzz. I don't know if this is true, but apparently some interviews will ask the person to be interviewed to complete this challenge in the most simple way possible, and I'm gonna do that in Python so you guys have an idea how to complete this. If you have an average understanding how Python works and you know Python for a little bit, you should be able to complete this super simple. So let's go and let's start writing the code, and once we're completed, we're gonna go over the code and explain the code. All right, so the FizBuzz challenge is write a program that prints the numbers from 1 to 100, but for multiples of 3 print fizz instead of the number, and for multiples of 5 print buzz. For numbers we are multiples of both 3 and 5 print FizzBuzz. So first things first, the most simple way to do this, I will start with a for loop for num in range, and here for the range I will put 1 to 101 because it's gonna end on what is it, 100. And then I will do an if statement if num modulus 3 equals to 0 and num modulus 5 equals to 0. Then we print FizzBuzz. Then we do an elif statement if num equals modulus 3 equals to 0. Then we do print fizz, and then another elif statement num, and we do 5 equals to 0. Then we do print, and then we want boss on this one, and then else print parenthesis num. All right, so let's try this. Let me recheck this one more time. Let me put a space in there just for num in range 1 to 101 if num modulus 3 equals 0 and num modulus 5 equals 0, print FizzBuzz. Elif num modulus 3 equals 0, print fizz, then print buzz, and finally print the number or the num for the full loop. So if we run this, we should get, all right, let's go up a little bit. So 1, 2, and 3, we got fizz, which if you look here on the instructions, 3 print fizz, a multiple of 3 print fizz. That's perfect. Multiple of 5 prints buzz, multiple of 3 prints fizz. This is 6. 6 is a multiple of 3. 15 should be both. Perfect. Then it's working correctly. So ensure whenever you're doing something like this and it says both 3 and 5, for example, ensure you do that on the first statement. And why? Because if you don't do that on the first statement, then when you run the if statements, then the first if statement that you run, let's say it found a 3, is gonna run for the 3 and then it's gonna ignore the 5. So you most likely, if you don't do it like this, you're not gonna ever get a FizzBuzz. Does that make sense? So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial about FizzBuzz. It's super simple, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial of Python.